Hey, let's get started with Excel. Excel is a tool to easily discover, visualize, and share insights from your data. Let's open Excel. Let's start by opening a blank workbook. As you can see, our spreadsheet is made of rows like 1, 2, and 3, and columns like A, B, and C. At the intersection of rows and columns are cells. Cells are individual data points that we can change by simply typing what we want them to say. Now let's input some data. To automatically fill in the rest of a column, simply select the cells that you'd like to continue and drag down. To change the size of a column, simply put your cursor between two different columns and drag the length you'd want it to be. You can do the same for rows. To use a function, simply select the cell that you'd like to be a function, hit the equal sign, and then put in the function you want. If we want to sum up a column, we can type sum, and then select a range of cells that we'd like to sum up, and enter. If you're having trouble finding a function you want to use, you can simply go to the Formulas tab, click Insert Function, and here you can search for what you want to do. Let's say, find an average. To change the formatting of our cells, we can select the range of cells that we'd like to change, and then apply the effects we want. To insert a chart, select the data, go up to the top where it says Insert, Recommended Charts, and here we'll have a few options of the type of chart we want to choose. Let's create a bar chart. To export a workbook, simply click File, Print or Save As, or Export. Excel has many powerful tools. For example, if we want to filter our data, first we need to select what we want to filter. If you click on a cell in a table and select all, Ctrl+A, it will select the entire table. Then, if we go to Sort and Filter, we can click on Filter. Now, we can filter our columns by their values. So let's filter our months by sales. We can sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So it looks like May was our best sales month, tied with June. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.